This presentation looks at three forms of assessment: NAPLAN, Read and Retell, and Authentic Assessment. NAPLAN is a national assessment program that tests literacy and numeracy in grades 3, 5, 7 and 9. The tests are conducted every May. All schools sit the test on the same day, and the tests are marked at a central location. The literacy components test the reading, writing and language conventions of students. It consists of multimodal tests that aim to test higher order skills and levels of understanding. The results are used to inform parents, teachers and schools of the individual growth of students. They also inform parents, teachers, schools, governments and the wider community of the progress of individual schools and the national education system. Read and Retell is a classroom assessment strategy. It is beneficial for all readers, regardless of their writing ability or language skills. Students have the choice of retelling their reading orally, in written form, or by drawing pictures. It is a valuable assessment of comprehension, helping students to follow and understand the text to the extent that they can retell it in their own way, ensuring deeper learning. The process of restructuring text in this way requires the student to apply their prior knowledge to the text in order to develop their own interpretations of it. Authentic assessments assess the quality of a student's reading. Using real-life literacy tasks and classroom procedures, it helps to reveal a student's achievement. Parents might encourage self-correction during reading at home. Teachers might ask the student to follow written instructions or to summarise an independent research topic and develop a poster, for example. Explore the table in the next section of this paper to compare the benefits and limitations of these assessments and to discover their connection to the curriculum beginning on page 3. Then proceed to the final section of this paper on page 7, an evaluation of these assessments.